I'm not kidding. I gotta fucking, this is just fucking insane. Why? Why is this here? Like, look at this shit. I gotta fucking, you gotta see this shit. It's insane. Look at this. Why? Why?
What?
What the hell? Oh my god. No way. Yay. Oh my god. I'm like actually having a fucking meltdown. What is with these woke motherfuckers in my Minecraft server? I just can't anymore. I just can't. It's so annoying. I can't anymore. These fucking woke motherfuckers. I'm gonna like actually lose it.
Where's the server list? Where is it?
Radish trying to find the server list. Impossible challenge. I'm getting food.
Alright.
Yay. I think it took a long time until Patrick was gonna make a fucking pizza tower fucking video.
What?
I'm not fucking kidding.
What?
As I was going downstairs to go get something to eat, I then see this. I then see fucking sauce, cheese, revenge, pizza tower. God.
Yeah?
So anyway, did you figure out how to not ban, how to unban people?
No. Unbanned. I'm on the World Wide Web on, dude, and literally it's not doing crap.
I'm gonna like cry. I really wanted to make this Don't Starve video. I was actually excited.
How do I? Where's the ban list? Why does it make it so complicated to find a ban list in a video game?
Mm. 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 Mm.
Pepino Spaghetti, yes, that is his real name, is visited by Pizza Face, a sentient floating
I love
pizza
Pepino
that's threatening
Spaghetti.
to destroy Pepinos with a laser cannon. So to save his business, the naturally anxious Pepino goes on a rampage, running down anyone who gets in his way as he chases Pizza Face to the top of the titular Pizza Tower. Pepino runs at Mach speed, climbs walls like Spider-Man on caffeine, and beats the ever-loving snot out of any sentient foodstuff that just so happens to cross his path. Rest in peace there, Snotty. At the end of each stage, Pepino knocks down Pillar John, a living stone slab that Pizza
No
Face
way.
owned repeatedly and then placed in each level to keep the portals of the tower open.
Matt Pat
permanently.
is
Knocking
playing
it down
Pizza
triggers a
Tower.
countdown sequence
Literally.
a la Wario Land 4 for a final Metroid-style escape, where Pepino must get back to the beginning of the level as fast as possible before Pizza Face catches him. As you climb through the tower, you go through dozens of wacky places like a city of pigs, a farm beset by aliens, a literal war zone, and an abandoned pizzeria haunted by ghastly animatronics. Oh, come on! Get out! I can't! I can't. Is there no rest? God. If Pepino manages to reach the top, he's finally able to confront Pizza Face, who, it's revealed, isn't actually a floating pizza monster, but rather some kind of mech secretly piloted by none other than Pizza Head. A guy with a pizza for a head. This game's naming conventions are pretty self-explanatory. Anyway, it's an odd reveal because this is a character who's never shown up previously in the game, was never explicitly alluded to. But at first glance, it seems to be a twist villain just for the sake of having a twist villain. And honestly, I'd be totally okay with that. This is a joke game where nothing is taken super seriously, so having our floating pizza head be replaced by an actual pizza man is the sort of ridiculous twist that would make a lot of sense here. But we aren't theorists. When we see a surprise final boss appear without any clear build-up, that's the sort of thing that sets off all kinds of alarms.
Oh my god, bro.
Everything about Pizza Head is
It's just pizza.
he never seems to take the final fight
Pizza
seriously.
Tower.
He starts the fight by
Yeah.
handing Pepino a gun. He accidentally pulls out a dirty picture of himself. He shoots a machine gun at his own face instead of at Pepino. He is laughing the entire time. It's almost as if he's not trying to kill Pepino at all, just mess with him. If he wanted to kill Pepino, he could have just fired the laser at Pepino's pizza without warning instead of giving him a chance to stop.
Hey, Soup,
Except
I
the
did it.
laser isn't anywhere to be found when
Actually?
Pepino gets to the top of
Yes.
the tower,
Oh my
or
god.
behind it in any other level.
That's awesome. Can't wait to. I wonder if they added. I wonder if someone has made Pizza Tower.
Actually, wait. I want to eat breakfast, so screen share this Matt Pat video, and I'm gonna eat cereal.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna now open it on. I had it on my fucking phone, and now I gotta go on my.
You might as
Epic.
well close OBS and then reopen it when I'm done with the breakfast.
Honestly, I think we should just make this part of the video. I could
All
care.
right.
Fuck it. Let's make it a part of the video now.
Okay, you screen share or start the activity. BRB, gonna get breakfast.
This is so awesome. I love Pizza Tower. Oh my god, is OBS not gonna work on this? I'm actually gonna wait. Oh, it's still in I'm an idiot. Yeah, we're gonna be pizza. There we go. Oh. Oh wait, I gotta fucking wait.
Trick to lure Pepino to the tower for some greater purpose. But why? Well, to understand that, we actually have to play through the game again. See, once you know to be on the lookout for Pizza Head, the signs are there from the very beginning of the game. Literally, the first enemy that you face in the tutorial is a cardboard cutout of Pizza Boy, a boy with the exact same face as Pizza Head. Notice the blushing cheeks, the big red nose, and of course, the large slice of pizza as a face. That is suspicious. It would seem that Pizza Head might just be a grown-up version of Pizza Boy. We see later in the FNAF level level that Pizza Boy is the main mascot for Pizza Boy Piz Pizza, and that's not the only place that he shows up. World 4, the slum, has a Pizza Boy cutout crammed into a sewer pipe. This then leads to multiple cutouts that we can find littering the sewers throughout the level, as if all of this Pizza Boy merch was suddenly discarded all at once. Later in the game, when visiting the Pig City, you can see wanted posters at the beginning of the level, as well as at the beginning of the Vigilante's boss fight. Peppino is a wanted man with $1 million bounty on his head. That's like John Wick levels of bounty hanging over him. What did he do? Later in the Pig City level, Peppino gets arrested. And what do we find waiting for us in the cell? Lo and behold, another Pizza Boy cutout just waiting there, acting almost like a calling card. Is he the one behind all of this? Could it be that he's the one putting up the wanted posters? And when Pig City eventually goes up in flames, graffiti of Pizza Boy's smiling face can be seen peeking out from between the buildings, like he's reveling in all this destruction. Finally, at the very end of the game, just as Peppino and friends are about to reach the exit of the crumbling tower, a horde of Pizza Boy cutouts appear in a last-ditch effort to slow them down, both bookending the cutouts from the beginning of the tutorial, as well as signaling that Pizza Boy himself is the thing trying to keep Peppino from escaping. Pizza Boy is always there. He is always watching. He is always impeding Peppino's progress. He even reacts to how well you're doing in the
This
game.
is back.
When you first boot up the game,
Yeah, I'm
Pizza Boy
watching
face
this.
is used to measure your current completion percentage. He begins
No way.
happy when you're at 0%, but he starts getting sad when he sees that you've made some progress. Bit by bit, he gets angrier and angrier, quickly losing all resemblance to Pizza Boy and instead gaining the appearance of Pizza Head instead. If Pizza Boy were a distinct entity, it wouldn't make sense for him to be worked up by Peppino's success. But if he's really Pizza Head, then of course he's getting mad, because you're getting closer and closer to foiling his plot. Which then begs the question, what's the plot? All these clues seem to suggest that Pizza Head was once the mascot.
I don't think it's that deep,
of
man.
I don't think it
but we
is.
still don't know what beef he has with Peppino. If he's just going after some competing pizza chef, why target someone whose business is already in the tank? Well, Pizza Head himself doesn't have any dialogue in the game to fill us in on his motives.
No
There
shit.
is one NPC who does. Pizza Granny. She is just like Pizza Face. She's a pizza, she's got a face. She appears in the hub world before each level to tell you things like how to use your taunt to parry projectiles, or how it's unfortunate that your name is Peppino Spaghetti. Usually her dialogue is short and snappy. She's basically just there as a tutorial. But in one encounter in the Western District, she suddenly spouts off on this huge rant. The syntax is all off, and it's hard to parse what exactly she's trying to say, but one nugget of information stands out among all the rest. Quote, in the upper part of the tower, there's this Pizza Face character. Then there's a man from your previous life leading the way. Since Pizza Head's the only one up there, it's not much of a stretch to figure out that he's the man from Peppino's past. But again, I ask, what is their actual backstory here?
I think
Why
the backstory
Pizza
is that
Head
he's
out
just a
for
goofy
revenge?
guy.
All comes back around.
Nah,
as so often
that'd be too
does
simple.
To FNAF.
True.
Specifically,
What?
The FNAF level I keep mentioning
What?
comes back
What?
around as it so often does to FNAF. Specifically, the FNAF level I keep mentioning
How old?
don't make a sound. It's the second to last
No
level
card.
of the game, which already places it in an important position. But what's really interesting about this one are all the lore clues that are sprinkled throughout the various background environments. The first thing to notice is the poster that clearly indicates Pizza Piz Pizza is going bankrupt, which could explain why all the Pizza Boy cutouts were thrown down into
Okay.
the sewers throughout the slums map. So we know for a fact that Pizza Head's restaurant hit on hard times.
Oh my
We can also
God.
see in the storage room of the pizzeria
Pizza
that the
Tower.
dead body of a safety inspector is hanging from the ceiling, trapped by one of the many dangerous toys that are hidden away in boxes. That
I think
might be
that's
one good
normal.
reason the restaurant hit on such hard financial times. Nothing says fallen profits quite like having a series of murders happening in your back rooms. Ain't that
Shut
right,
up.
Tony?
Shut up.
But it's the
Shut
series of
up.
posters
Shut
here
up.
that I really want to examine.
This is
The
not-
first one shows us
Balls.
the game's third boss, The Noise, used to be a mascot of Piz Pizza. Now, for a bit of context here, The Noise is a parody of Domino's mascot, The Noid, a character
Nope.
who's notorious for being one of the worst restaurant mascots in all of
What do you mean it was the best one?
I did a food theory all about him and how he singled
Shut
out
up! Stop ad
advertising
self-advertising.
at restaurants. So if you haven't seen that video,
Oh yeah, I know about this. Actually, now I think about it, I actually remember this
Based
video,
on the
watching
photos
that for
you
some
see around
reason.
the level, The Noise was a
God,
key
I'm gonna
part of
cry.
Piz Pizza's marketing strategy, and apparently he wasn't the only one. Over here, on some of the other posters, you can see a stretchy cheese slime character. Now, cheese slimes are a common enemy throughout the game, so this could be a stretch. Get it? Stretch, because he's cheese.
Oh, I'm gonna kill you.
That right there is just any character. I suspect that slime, just like The Noise, is also a boss in the tower. Specifically,
The Vigilante.
boss of floor
Vigilante.
2,
The Vigilante,
oh my
God.
Notice
And
the
these
pupils
purple
of the
guys.
cheese slime versus the pupils of the Vigilante. The Vigilante has pinprick pupils, as opposed to the common enemies, which have more oblong pupils.
Wow, 3
Now
pixel
look at the
difference.
slime that's used
Oh
in
my
this
God.
pinprick eyes. Eyes that match the Vigilante.
Oh my-
Ourselves, the second floor boss being a former
Analyzing
mascot,
pixels.
the third floor boss being a former mascot mascot of the brand, and the final floor boss, Pizza Head, being Pizza Boy, the main face of the company. I don't know about you, but I'm noticing a pattern here, and that pattern only continues as we look at more details in the level. You see, as we run through the remains of Piz Pizza, there are other familiar faces that start popping up. For instance, Peppino's chef friend Gustavo appears here multiple times. First, as a Gustavo marionette guiding us forward, but also as a character in an arcade cabinet pizza crawl. Why would he be here of all places? Why would there be merch and spin-off titles dedicated to him unless he also worked at Piz Pizza at some point? But even more suspicious,
I don't think it's that deep.
I really don't think so.
As a mascot. Throughout the level, we see various arcade cabinets starring Peppino, Pizza Tower Defense, Pizza Tower Golf. But if there was any doubt,
just really
there's
like
one
pizza.
poster that's hidden just out of view that shows Peppino chasing after the pizza gremlins Noise and Noisette. In other words, Peppino used to be a mascot of Piz Pizza 2. Every single one of these characters used to be a part of the Piz Pizza brand. They were all mascots or marketing characters or involved in the business in some way. They all have a shared history, with Pizza Head as the literal and figurative head of it all. But it seems like at some point, Peppino broke off from the others to make his own pizza business. I suspect that somehow, some way, that decision killed Piz Pizza. Hence why we see the company going bankrupt. Why do I think this? Well, in one of the other posters, we see Pacino, the Italian chef, an animatronic-like character that looks exactly like Peppino.
Wow.
And not only does he look like Peppino, if you get jump scared by one of the monsters in this level, you'll respawn as Pacino. That right there shows you that you and Pacino are meant to be one and the same.
No.
I think this was Piz Pizza trying to find
I
a
don't suppose.
replacement for Peppino. When Peppino left to strike it out on his own, it left all the other characters high and dry. Suddenly, they were left
But
with one of their
Gustavo-
star
but-
characters gone. So in a desperate bid to
But
replace
Gustavo
him,
went
they
with-
tried puppets and robotics and marionettes, but none of them worked. And
But
that's
Gustavo's
when they
with-
started getting really desperate. They started cloning Peppino. You see, once you reach the boss of the 4th floor, things in the game get real weird. If your theorist alarms weren't set off by anything else in this game, floor 4 should be putting them into high alert. It's here that we fight Peppino himself. Yep, we are fighting ourselves, or more accurately,
Bro's fighting his
twisted
demons.
clone version of ourselves. He's taller, his eyes popping out.
This
and
is
oh yeah, there's
fucking
also literally
stupid.
dozens of them all attacking at once. He'll even throw his head at us when things get desperate. But why is there a clone of our character running around?
'Cause he's-
we
'cause
actually
it's
see the
funny.
lab where these
Yeah, it's
clones
funny,
made.
that's
The
why.
final level of the game
I don't think they were thinking this deep.
War. In this level, you literally
And this is like the most overrated level,
war
probably,
landscape with fighter planes
in the
and
entire
bombs
game.
in the air.
Overrated.
It is
That's what I
weird.
know.
So
It's
much so that
not.
it
It's not
prompted
that
fans to
cool.
come
It's
up with
pretty
their
cool,
very
but I
own
don't
game
care.
theories, mostly centering around the idea that Peppino is actually a war vet. Now, McPig, the game's creator, did come out and debunk that theory on Discord, but then they also made some tweets that would imply that the theories might be true, so it feels like that whole thing is up for debate. All that, though, is
It's
neither
not.
here nor there.
Well, he said it's not a war veteran. That means he's not. So shut up.
In them, we see copies of Peppino floating around in stasis tubes. What's it mean? It means that he's being cloned. But why? Well, the clue is given to us back during that 4th floor boss fight. Look at the background and notice what it says in the window. Peppino's Pizza 2. And that's not all. At the end of the fight, there's an extended horror chase sequence. If you manage to survive, you emerge on the other side and are suddenly standing out front of an old defunct building named Bruno Pizza. They're rebranding failed abandoned pizzerias as Peppino's. It's Pizza Head trying to make his own Peppino franchise. They're creating Peppino clones to steal away his business.
Wow.
Not because it's particularly successful or anything like that, but as repayment for Peppino's betrayal when he first left the Piz Pizza family.
Well, that's-
so taking
that-
all of these clues together, here's the final storyline that I've pieced together based on the clues
God.
of the game. Piz Pizza was a highly successful company that would regularly roll out new mascots for marketing purposes to build up hype.
Okay,
Noise,
Christoph, it's
Noisette,
time.
Gustavo,
I don't. I. I didn't think this video would turn to fucking this. God, I'm gonna like actually have an aneurysm. Let's fucking. Please, for the love of Christ, I just want to play Don't Starve a fucking Together. All right. We gotta stop getting MatPat involved into our fucking videos. That always kills me. Are you ready? Are you ready? The Iron Radish.
What?
Are you ready? The Iron Radish. Just do this.
Of course.
Thank the Lord, I'm gonna like actually have an aneurysm watching Pizza Tower lore. Pizza Tower lore when it's fucking simple.
The Soup Update 8's coming out this weekend for GPO.
Oh my god, I can't wait to get on it and then like
They're adding the Luffy boss
Luffy Boss?
and Doflamingo, the string guy.
Yeah, see, I get these references because I also watch One Piece.
Of course. Who's Luffy again? I forgot.
He's I think he's like the antagonist of the entire series.
Of course.
God. Question, Radish. What is your favorite monkey in Bloons TD6?
Yeah.
That's my favorite too. Yeah, it's my favorite.
Okay.
Do you have to pee yourself?
What?
Anyway, what's your favorite monkey in Bloons TD6?
Sniper, of course.
Mine has to be Autism Monkey.
It's awesome. Also, BRB, join the server while I'm AFK because I gotta deliver clothes downstairs.
You have to. Okay.
So just like,
Alright. Alright, Dad.